Deze situatie die we hier hebben is met name.
The current situation is particularly dangerous for poultry and for anyone who's had close contact with the chickens, like the farmers.
Dat zijn dus de kippenboeren.
De stallen worden afgeplakt.
The hen houses have been closed and fumigated to put the poultry to sleep. They will unfortunately be killed and removed.
The Commission praises the reaction of the Dutch authorities. The Netherlands, in fact, immediately took the measures that were required by the EU protocol, such as killing and destroy of all animals on the holding.